Good morning, fellow traders. This is Easy Earnings FX. You welcome to my channel. In this very video, I'll be showing you or sharing with you my strategy that has been giving me consistent profits. Yes, consistent profit. Please help me subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, kindly click on the like button. Thank you for doing that for me. So the strategy that I will be sharing with you in this very video that I've been using for the past 1 year now, I derived it from Parabolic Sar. Parabolic Sar is a very useful and powerful indicator. If you want to be catching spike, this very strategy is for you. That is, you want to be trading boom and crash. Boom 1000, boom 500, crash 500, crash 1000, boom 300, crash 300. This very video is for you. You want to be trading step index like me. I love step index so much. This particular video is for you. This very strategy is for you. You want to be trading volatilities. 75, volatility 100, 50, 25, 10. V75 IS, V50 IS 100, and others. This very video is for you. You want to be trading jump. 75, 100, 25, 10. This very strategy is for you. You want to be trading range break. This very strategy is for you. Just stick with me as I move on. I will show you step by step on how I use this very strategy. The very strategy works for all the assets, like I've said earlier. Boom and crash, volatilities, step index, jump, range break. If you also trade on currency pairs with Derive or other brokers, this very strategy is for you. And this strategy can give you nothing less than 50 pips on daily basis. Yes, nothing less than 50 pips on daily basis. And approximately in a month, you can be having more than 1,000 pips using this very strategy. You are new to FX. Oh, do I have to start with SMC combining with price action, demand and supply, support and resistance? When will I start to earn? Oh my God, this very strategy is for you. Just stick with me as I move on. So, while you use this, you can now start reading books, learning other strategies to broaden your horizon in trading as a whole. You are a day trader, you are a scalper. This very strategy is for you. Or you want to swing trade, this very strategy is for you. I will not bring all the assets together in a single clip. We'll split the asset into different videos so you can follow and have a better understanding. Be patient till the end and watch the clip. I will not withhold any information on how I use this very strategy. So, shall we start? In this very video, I'm going to start with boom 1000 and boom 500. Boom 1000 and boom 500. So let's go ahead. This very strategy can give you nothing less than 10% of your equity on daily basis without over trading. And how do I use this strategy? I combined higher time frame with lower time frame. If you watch other clips on how people use Parabolic Sar, You enter, or they tell you to enter. Immediately, the parabolic Sar pump out for buy, you enter. Once it's pump out for sell, you enter. I don't use it like that to have a better result or a better profit at the end of the month, at the end of the week, or on daily basis trading. So how do I use this? You switch to either D1, a day time frame, or 4 hours time frame. You generate your signal on higher time frame, then you enter on lower time frame. So in this very clip, we'll be combining H4 D1 with 15 minutes time frame. Then you see how long you can stay in the trade. And this is D1. If you look at this very chart, boom 1000 has been buying for the past 3 days. Yes, for the past 3 days. That is almost 72 hours. And today, as I'm making this video, is the 4th day that Parabolic Sar or that boom 1000 has been on buy trend. You can see that. Let me show you that. So this is my rectangle box. This is it. We have 4 dots already. So parabolic buy has been on buy trend for the past 4 days, or 3 days rather. So how do we join this trade? How do we join this trade? You can use the signal for either buy or for either sell trade. Irrespective of where the trend is going, you can always trade. Some people will be afraid. No, don't trade against the spike. The spike, it is not like that. Once you're able to get your trend, you can always enter the trade. So let's see what this particular trade is telling us, or this particular signal is telling us on a day time frame and 15 minutes time frame. Let's go. So follow my box. The buy signal will pump out when the candlestick gets to the last dot of the sell signal. We are looking at a buy signal now. Here, when the candlestick get to this particular spot, it will pump out for this buy signal down here. So we are putting our box here. This is on a day time frame now. A day time frame. A day time frame. A day time frame. So we've already cashed the trend of the market on a day time frame. So we switch now to 15 minutes time frame to see what the market is saying there. Let's go. I'm going to reduce this so we can quickly get to where we have the. So we have the signal here. We have it here on 15 minutes time frame. You can see. Let me bring out a vertical line here. That signal picked from here. It activated from this particular zone. So let's say you've been watching it, you'll be familiar with this particular on how to use Parabolic Sar. So you already at alert that when is the next signal going to give me a buy signal for me to enter. Then you join this trade here. This particular signal. So once this pump out, then you join the trade. Can you see? This is on May 28th. And if I'm trading this most of the times, I don't 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. If I'm using a day time frame and 15 minutes time frame combined, I'm done for the day already because of my equity and my lot size. So you join this trade here. Can you see? If you join this trade at this very particular price action level, you're going to be in this trade for more than 2-3 hours. Can you see? 15 minutes candlestick, 15 minutes candlestick, 15 minutes candlestick. On boom 1000. Can you see? On boom 1000. And you don't trade haphazardly. After you've gotten what you need, you are out of the market. Stop loss doesn't work on boom and crash. You are out of the market. You catch 15 minutes spike and candle. you leave. Or you catch 30, 45 minutes, you leave. You catch 1 hour, you leave. Or you want to be waiting for 2 hours, you leave. You don't stay there. Then you let the market pull back. It will give you, that means it's going to give you a sell. What we have here. Follow me. I'm talking about this very particular sell signal. You don't take it with this particular strategy. Let me repeat. With this particular strategy, you wait for the next buy signal, because a day time frame is on a what? Is on the buy trend. You wait for the next buy signal. So let's go. Here. Can you see it? This is it. We join this trade here. Immediately this pump out because we are looking for a buy. Trading is about patience. You wait. You don't be in haste, because it is a minor pullback. It is going to continue in the initial trend. So you wait. If you don't know how to wait in trading, your money is gone. I know it's going to give you back. Do you want to go and meet the broker? No, because you are the one that didn't follow the rules. You follow the rules. In real life, if you are not honest with yourself, you won't be honest with yourself in trading. If you are not truthful to yourself in real life, you won't be truthful to yourself in trading. That is, you will not follow your rules that is guiding your entry and your exit. So you love to cash spikes, this is for you. You want to be trading in both a trend, this is for you. So you wait for the next buy signal, then you join this trade. Can you see? You join this particular trade. This is almost what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes uptrend. Then you catch the spike again. That is the second time for that particular. Okay, we've moved to the second day already, 29. So you catch that. So this is around 6 a.m. So let's see what we're going to have as the day moves on. This is a sell signal. Don't forget. Stick to the rules of this particular strategy, and you will always be profitable. Without over trading, you will have nothing less than 10% of your equity every day. That means you are trading on $100 equity. You can have $10 plus every day. Then you continue the next day. Another $10, another $10, another $10 every day. If you are trading on 200 equity, 10%, you can have $20 every day without stress with this particular strategy. If you are trading on 300, that's why you are having $30 every day. If you are trading on $550, you can have more than that. But let's go slow. I love going slow. I don't rush. Love going slow. You trade today, come back tomorrow. If you don't have the time, come back next tomorrow. Then you trade. So this is another entry. Can you see? 15 minutes before we have a pullback here. That is 30 minutes spikes. You are in that trade. If you go and check this on 1 minute chart, then you will see how long it's going to be. So let's see. A day time frame is still what? On uptrend. So we are looking for what? Another uptrend signal, buy signal. Look at it again here. Can you see it? Can you see it? I will try as much as possible to limit or let have a break in the clips, so you can always follow, come back and watch till you understand it. But it's a very simple signal generation and entry. Just stick to the rules. When you have the uptrend on a 1 hour time, on a day time frame, you keep looking for what? Buy signal on 15 minutes time frame. Keep looking for buy signal on 15 minutes time frame. If you're having a sell signal on a day time frame or 4 hours time frame, you keep looking for sell signal on 15 minutes time frame. Don't rush. You keep looking for what? You wait for it. This particular strategy will give you 100% winning rate every day, or at worst 90% winning rate. And at the end of the month, you can have more than 80%, 85% winning rate at the end of the whole month. I will also show you how I do the entries. Parabolic I enter, then it pull back before it go in that direction. I will show you how I do my re-entry. I will show you everything. But let's go slow. Let's go slow. So this is another signal. Still on the same day, 29. Can you see it? Third signal for that particular day. Third signal. This is the third signal. This is the second one. The first one was around 6 a.m. This is the second one. The third one, 6 p.m. The third signal, cashing spike. With this particular signal entering, you've already have more than 10% of your equity. Depend, if no matter how small your lot size, using the lowest lot size. Lot size is a killer. Don't use lot size that is bigger than your equity, or that can wipe away 30%, 40% of your equity with just single signal. No, go slow. Always go slow. Always go slow. Always go slow. Always go slow. So what are we looking for? Another buy signal. We have a buy signal here, but it did not go in our direction. Then you exit. You exit. When do you exit? When it gets to the low of your entry, you exit. I'm going to show you how to do that. In the next video or in this very video. But once you see that it pull back to your entry, to where we have the parabolic, the wink or the shadow of the candlestick where we have our that give us the entry, exit that market, take partial loss and leave. Take partial loss and leave. Can you see it? Give us another entry. You already have back your loss here. Can you see it? Can you see it on 30? You already have that. You have back your loss. The money that you lose in the last entry. You get it back here. Can you see it? More than 3 hours. A buy signal. Can you see? This is another buy signal. You catch this. After the pullback here, then it went back. Look at this again. Another buy signal here. Can you see it? Another buy signal here. Another buy signal here. Can you see it? Another buy signal here. Still on the 30th. We are still on what? Boom 1000. We've not moved to boom 500. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look at this. Another buy signal on 31st now. On 31st. Can you see this? You stick to the rules. Buy signal on a day time frame. Buy signal on 15 minutes time frame. Between 28, 29, 30, 31, we've seen more than 6 entries, 7 entries. Let's say we lose we lose one. We won 7-6. Can you see it? Can you see it? We are still moving. Can you see the buy signals? Can you see the buy signals? Can you see the buy signals? Can you see? And we are still moving. Can you see the buy signals? You can say, once I have 15 minutes candlestick, I want to stop. Once I have 30 minutes, I want to stop. Once I have 45 minutes, I want to stop. It all depends your equity and your lot size. But don't ever let your lot size be bigger than your equity. No, don't ever do that. You will keep funding. You will keep funding. You will keep funding. So go slow. If you go slow this month, what you're going to have next month will be bigger than what you have this month. The next month will be bigger than what you have than the previous 2 months. So always go slow. Always go slow. So let us look at a sell signal on a day time frame. A sell signal. This is a sell signal. It activated here. It activated here. Can you see? How many days? More than 15 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, almost 20 days. You are on sell signal on what? On boom one. I told you, you can trade in both in both trend. You can go both trend. You can go both trend. You see this, you follow. Once it activates the other trend, you follow. Don't trade against the trend. Don't ever trade against the trend with this particular strategy. You see a buy, you go for buy. You see a sell, you go for sell. Always wait for the next. Like this, we're having a sell signal now. I want to explain a sell signal. So we keep looking for sell on 15 minutes time frame. If you see an opposite, which is buy, no. Wait for the next sell, then you join. You have the probability of winning that trade and loss. No, if I enter this trade, I have 90% confidence level that I'm going to win this particular trade. You don't trade with fear. Once you know what you are doing, so let's go and check what we have there. Let's go. 15 minutes time frame. Let me reduce so that we can quickly move. I don't want the video to be too long so that you can follow. So what do we have here? So we have it here. Can we still go down? Okay, it's activated here. Here. So this is it. This is it. A sell signal. A sell signal. This is a sell signal. We enter here. This is another sell signal. Here. Let's go. We have a buy. That is the pullback that we had. Let me go and show you. May 8, 11, 15. That buy is this particular pullback here. Inside the sell on the day time frame. There is another way to pick this particular buy, this particular pullback. Then you go down to what? Lower time frame, that is lower than a day time frame. I'm still going to come back to that in the other videos. But let's wait. Let's just follow higher time frame, which is a day time frame or 4 hours time frame and 15 minutes time frame. So we have a pullback here. So that means 2 days. D1, B1 is what? On buy. We can as well take those spikes using maybe 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to do that video later after this. But let's go with the sell. So let's go back to 15 minutes time frame. So we wait. So we wait. You are the one that wants to be using a day time frame and 15 minutes time frame. You learn how to what? How to wait. Can you see the long buy, the pullback on the day time frame? It's almost 2 days before it came back to sell. But you're going to be having brief and sell, brief sell. It's not too long. It's not too long. But you know when to pull out. You know when to pull out. I'm going to show you. So we have the sell here because the day time frame is on sell. Can you see it here? So look at the sell signal. Let's go. The sell signal is not too much because we have a pullback on higher time frame. We have a pullback. So short sell. But let's go. By the time it's going to trigger back. So it's trying to trigger back on a sell candlestick on a day time frame. So let's go. Sell. Can you see it? Activated, sell. I don't want the clip to be too long. We have made a sell signal. You join the sell signal. Always wait. Can you see it? Sell signal. Can you see it? For almost 20 days. So we are still going. Sell signal. So always wait. So always wait. You can be having nothing less than 10% of your equity every day. 10%. So in the other video, I'm going to share with you how to use 1 hour time frame and 5 minutes time frame. 1 hour time frame, 5 minutes time frame. The same rules is guiding. The same rule is guiding or the same rule. So let's quickly check on what? Boom 500. Let's quickly check on Boom 500. A day time frame. What do we have there? We're having a sell signal on a day time frame. A sell signal. This is it. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, then you'll be cashing what? Let's reduce it. Can you see? You'll be having more of sell. This is it. So when do we have the spike? There's a buy signal here. Okay, we have a sell here. Too. We have a buy here, a brief buy. Using SMC, smart money concept, demand and supply zone. You'd have picked that here. At the top here, the sell signal. But let's stick with this particular strategy. Let us stick. So we move ahead. That is a buy signal. That is a buy signal. You love cashing spike. You love cashing spike. So I'm going to stop here in this particular clip. I'm going to stop here. Then I continue. I don't want the video to be too long, so that you can always watch, come back and refresh. Come back and refresh. So thank you for watching. Please help me subscribe to this very channel. Help me subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And if you like the video, you can help me give a like. Help me tap on the like button. Thank you.